Sir, when you evaluate startups, what matter more to you? The founder's vision, the product market fit, or scalability potential?
Uh, so what matters to me, we are very early stage investors. We invest at a time when the business is just about starting. So for us, what matters is the founder a lot. And what matters after that is not product market fit, but founder market fit. How much the founder knows about the market, how much the founder can survive in that market and learn from the market to grow. Yeah, that's what matters more.
How has the recent funding climate changed the way investors assess early stage startups? Are you seeing more focus on sustainability over speed now?
Yes, I think, and rightly so. Most of the VCs are now looking at something which is not just a burn baby burn model. Something which is slightly more, at least more profitable in the future. There is more emphasis on unit economics, and rightly so, and that's how it should be. But having said that, I think venture investments should look at betting with founders who can create huge disruptions, and at times that would mean burning money. I think it's a mix of that, and that's what I believe in. And I think that's what long-term investors will be focused on.
What's one red flag or founder behavior that instantly makes you cautious about investing?
So red flags for me are somebody you cannot trust. I think trust is a very important factor of any relationship. And as an investor, I am managing a fund, which means I'm putting somebody else's money as well. It becomes very important about the credibility, about the trustworthiness, about the founding, and things like those. Yeah.
Events like Tycon, Delhi NCR bring founders, investors under one roof. What kind of conversations or insights are you personally looking for there?
So in such events, what it does is really that it brings in a lot of people in the ecosystem together, as you said. So what helps is you get to know people or get to meet people again, so build relationships. But more than that, what I'm looking for is a spark, just one good thought which I can carry back from this event, which helps me invest better or learn better.
If you had to give one piece of honest advice to founders pitching at Tycon, what it be something beyond the usual know your numbers line?
I always tell the founders that they should focus on the customer and not on anything else, not on their needs, not on the need of the investors, but actually on the need of the customer. And that razor sharp focus relentlessly is what leads to building a better business.
As we know, sir, on February 1, the budget will announce. What kind of things you are looking for?
I would look for government not just putting more money, but also making it easier to access from the founder's perspective and also from the VC's perspective, like myself. At the same time, I would also expect them to make things easier for angel investments to happen. Recently, there have been some issues on that. I think angels are a very important part of ecosystem of building startups. Without that, VCs will have a problem. So I think these are two areas where I would like government to focus.
What kind of plan in near future? What will the roadmap of ZeCa Capital?
So ZeCa is, as the name suggests, it stands for zero carbon. So we are totally committed to the cause of sustainability. We are looking to invest in startups which are building solutions for a better environment. And we think that it's a very long game. It's a 40 years kind of a journey, not just for us, but there will be many solutions that will come up. We are very keenly looking at investing early in some of those beautiful solutions which will make humanity, which will make Earth better than what it is today in terms of environment and create a better future for our generations.